Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we will review the best and successful and some free AI tools that are available currently online. Now, the term best varies from person to person and is completely subjective. Therefore, we will try to discuss different AI tools based on different metrics. Before starting to list those tools, please note that everyday new tools for image generation and processing are being developed, and they might be better than the ones mentioned in this video, even after few days of this video's release. Therefore, it would be a good idea to subscribe to the channel to not miss future similar videos and updates of such a list. We will start with the beginner-friendly ones, then move to advanced ones. Let's start with the free ones. Crayon.com is the best text-to-image tool for complete beginners for both its simple user interface and complete free of use. Of course, you have to upgrade to paid plan for excessive image generation. Its process takes a bit longer compared to other image generators, but it spits out 9 image variations at once. The quality of the images is good, but not the best, and the simplicity comes in price. There is lack of professional customization options that other tools may offer. All in all, Craiyon is the best option for beginners, especially the ones with zero budget to offer. Next on the list, Microsoft Designer is a great tool that allows free image generation, but currently, the images generated by Microsoft Designer cannot be used for commercial purposes. However, it is more advanced compared to Craiyon, with lots of customization options, especially for social media. However, those options are limited compared to other tools that will be mentioned in this list. All in all, we can say that Microsoft Designer is a beginner-friendly with more customization tools. Now, let's move to something more creative and innovative. Krea.ai. This tool looks like an ordinary image generation tool, but it has a hidden gem. You are not limited to textual description. You can hand draw and insert shapes to the generated image. Therefore, it could be titled as text-to-image plus draw-to-image generation tool, which is a unique feature that most of the image generator tools lack. It has also a free version with limited usage. All those tools mentioned earlier are very good tools for beginners. Now, let's move to more advanced and professional tools. Let's start with Leonardo.AI. Leonardo has rich customizable and advanced image generation parameter systems such as image dimensions, aspect ratio, and much more. In addition, it has multiple professional image generation models to choose from. Furthermore, it has a professional prompt generation suggestion option to extend your basic prompts into advanced ones. The quality of generated outputs is quite satisfying, even if it takes some time to process. Leonardo offers free limited use, and you have to upgrade to a paid version to generate plenty of images, which is one of its main drawbacks, because it works on credit per image system. Therefore, creating lots of images requires large amounts of payment fees. Next, we have Adobe Firefly, one of the recent image generators that entered the market strongly. It has also lots of customization options, and one of its cool features is that it can inspire from other images and use it as a template to create the images. Now, although Firefly is a strong AI image tool, it has some drawbacks, such as it doesn't allow commercial use, and the downloaded images are Adobe watermarked. Therefore, currently it is not suitable for commercial use yet. Midjourney is one of the old and strong AI image generators in the market. It has unique customization features and high-quality output. However, it is on Discord servers and required deep learning curve. And requires paid subscription. Therefore, it is not beginner-friendly at all. And the best for last, DALL-E, recently version 3, which can be used inside Chat GPT. If you have the paid version, its output is very satisfactory, and you can use Chat GPT's features to customize and improve the output freely. DALL-E has a unique feature to deny harmful and adult-related content, as well as to generated images in a specific artist to prevent copyright issues. As it is clear, its main drawback is that it is available only in the paid version of ChatGPT, therefore won't be accessible for the beginners. As we have demonstrated, each of these tools is suitable for specific scenarios and use cases, such as beginner-friendly. Please choose the one that suits your strategy and needs, and don't forget that all the time new tools are on the way. Therefore, please like and subscribe to the channel to not miss any future updated lists. Bye for now.